Hospital vocabulary. Get free PDF for more practice. Subscribe Attainment of English and press the bell icon for more videos. Let's start. Doctor, doctor. Nurse, nurse. Medicine, medicine. Bandage, bandage. Clinic, clinic. Ambulance, ambulance. Crutches, crutches. Wheelchair, wheelchair. Emergency ward, emergency ward. Oxygen mask, oxygen mask. Adhesive tape, adhesive tape. Adhesive bandage, adhesive bandage. Cotton swab, cotton swab. Cotton wool, cotton wool. Blood bag, blood bag. First aid kit, first aid kit. Eye chart, eye chart. Antiseptic, antiseptic. Inhaler, inhaler. Braces, braces. Needle, needle. Scalpel, scalpel. Surgical mask, surgical mask. Tablet, tablet. Magnifier, magnifier. Gloves, gloves. Blood pressure monitor, blood pressure monitor. Medical record, medical record. Stretcher, stretcher. Walker, walker. Waiting room, waiting room. Appointment, appointment. Outpatient, outpatient. Checkup, checkup. Prescription, prescription. Operation, operation. Operating room, operating room. Stethoscope, stethoscope. Ward, ward. Thermometer, thermometer. Injection, injection. Patient, patient. Doctor's office, doctor's office. Hospital bed, hospital bed. Midwife, midwife. Plaster, plaster. Diagnosis, diagnosis. surgery, surgery. Hospital receptionist, hospital receptionist. Hospital gown, hospital gown. Thanks for watching.